Exclusive, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza with new orange color Spied. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza is the highest-selling SUV in the country. Available with bright colors and two-tone options such as a red body and a black roof or a blue body and a white roof in the top spec variant, the Brezza ushered in a whole variety of factory or dealer-fitted accessories. And now a brand new bright orange color option on the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza has been spied undergoing what appears to be a shoot for a video advertisement. The orange color seen here is slightly darker than the bright orange seen on the recently launched Maruti Suzuki Celerio X and is more like the orange that was available on the first-generation Swift back in 2005. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza was launched in 2016 and has largely remained the same since launch. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza Spied in the images also gets a set of black 17-inch alloy wheels, the same ones on the top spec ZDI Plus model, and a combination of a white two-tone roof. The orange Vitara Brezza Spied here was running the dispatches just like the current subcompact SUV available in the market and did not appear to be the long-awaited AMT version. Maruti Suzuki is also contemplating the launch of the petrol-powered Vitara Brezza soon. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza orange shade will be launched soon. The introduction of an orange color on the Vitara Brezza though is not surprising. What has become quite the usual trend amongst mass-market automakers, a bright orange is offered in the likes of the Hyundai i20 and Grand i10, the Renault Captur, the Nissan Micra, the Mahindra QV100, Tata Tiago and the Honda Jazz amongst others. For the latest auto news and reviews, follow Car and Bike on Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.